This video we are going to see PHP program. The program is to create a control like text field, checkbox, radio, list and accept the records and display it. The program is create the controls. What are the controls? Text, checkbox, radio, list and accept the records and display it. Okay, so let us see the PHP program in front of you. Now what we have done here we have defined HTML tag, body tag. Here body tag is defined. Now here form tag. Inside the form tag now action attribute is read taken, and we are entering the URL of the same program which is saved using .php extension and stored in the htdocs folder of the XAMPP, and method we are using here get. Okay, now here enter name. Now here enter name, here we are displaying the text field. Okay, here enter hobbies. Okay, here we are displaying the checkbox. Okay, 3 checkbox we are displaying for the value for the playing, reading and watching. These 3 options are displayed by the checkbox. Now here gender, select gender. Here we are taking the 2 radio buttons having the value male and female. Okay, but name is same gender. Now the qualification. For the qualification we are taking the list using the select tag. Inside the select tag we are keeping the options SSC, HSC, diploma and degree. Okay, after that we are taking the input type submit button having name add and value add. Okay, now here we have taken the PHP program, but we have not added anything in the program. Okay, now let us run the program. Now we have to save this program inside the htdocs. If you see here at the title bar, you can see that program is saved here inside the htdocs. Now let us start the server. XAMPP control panel, start the server. Okay, now let us run the program. Now here already we have run the program. This program will look like this. Enter name. Now here text field, enter hobbies, 3 checkbox, select gender, here male or female, that is a 2 radio button, and highest qualification, this is a list, and this is a add button. When we press the add button, then we have to display this enter data. Right now if you enter the add button, nothing will happen. Okay, so for that we have to write the PHP program. Now let us see. Now when we are entering into the PHP code, when we press the add button, right? So here we have to write inside the if, here each set function is set, and what value should be the set. Now here we have to write what should be the right. We have to write here now when add button is pressed. Okay, so here we have to write $_get, $_get. Here inside the double quote or single quote we have to write the name of button add. Okay, now when button is pressed, only in that case we have to come inside this control. Okay, now what we have to display, first of all we have to display this name. Whatever the name is entered, that name is entered, we have to display here. Suppose I am writing here echo, inside the double quote I am writing name. Okay, now here name is equal to, so I am writing here dot. Now again I am writing this code $_, but it is not for add. I am writing this for now text control. Now what is the name of the text control? Text control name is name1, so give the name here name1. Okay, here give the name name1. Okay, now again dot, give here double quote, again give the break tag for transferring the control to the next line. Okay, now here break is given. Now let us save this program. Here I have saved this program $_name. Now let us run the program once again. Okay, now here when I am running the program, now here name will come here. Okay, now here I am entering some once again execute the program. Now suppose I am entering here Samartha, and press the add button, so here name Samartha will appear. Okay, now next point here. Now what is the next action? What we have to do here? Now we have to display the value. Now here hobbies, we have to display the value of hobbies. So how can we display the value of hobbies now? Let us see. Now here what we have to do now, hobbies, for the hobbies purpose we have to take the input type. Now here name is play, read, watch, and the value is playing, reading, and watching. Now we have to display this value only when we are selecting it. Now if play is selected, then only we have to display this value. Okay, now let us write the program in the same manner. Now here if, here I am writing each set now here inside the each set what we are writing here now dollar underscore get. Now what is the name of first checkbox? Suppose play. Now the name of first checkbox is a play. Then what we have to write here, if set dollar underscore get play. Okay, if this checkbox is checked, then only we have to display the value of the hobbies. Okay, so I am writing now again this part here, copy paste. Okay, now here hobbies, I am writing here hobbies, hobbies. Now hobbies here, suppose what the value of hobbies will be, play. If it is selected, then only this value should be displayed. Okay, in the same way for the another hobbies like playing, watching, anything else. Now here playing, then I think it should be read. If read is selected, then value should be read, should be displayed here. Then watch, 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 and the value should be watch, should be displayed here. Okay, now let us save this program and run once again. Now what happening this program, we have to run from the start. Okay, now we have to run the program. Now here enter the name, suppose Samartha. Your hobbies are enter reading and watching. Okay, press the add button. Now here name Samartha, hobbies reading, hobbies watching. These values are displayed. Now let us see now next part. Now what is the next part? Now we have to retrieve the value of gender. Okay, so gender will be any one of the it. Now gender, both the gender having the same name, that is a gender, but value is different. So what we'll do, same part is used here, but here now we have to write here gender, GENDER, gender. Here you have to write gender. Now this text will be anything, you can write here gender, and here value is gender, GENDER. Okay, gender. Now let us run the program once again. Now what will happen, the program will having this parameter, we are using get method, the parameters are included in the method. Okay, now here name, suppose Samartha. Now taking hobbies, now only playing, reading, only take only one value, gender male. Okay, now add. Now here name Samartha, hobby we have taken only one, playing, and gender is a male. Okay, now next. Now next part is only remain, that is a now list. Okay, it is remain for the list. Now list having the name, qualification, and these are the value. Okay, here value should be HSC. Okay, now here value HSC, here value we have to write diploma, and here value we have to write degree. Okay, now value is written here. Now what we have to write the program, again I am taking the if condition. Now here what is the name of list control, qualification, QUAL. Okay, I am writing here qualification, QUAL, and selected qualification, highest qualification. I am writing here now highest qualification, GHEST, highest qualification, highest qualification. Now I am writing here QUAL. Okay, now QUAL, this is a name for the list, QUAL. Save the program. Once again run the program. Now here these parameters are there, so that this value is taking here. Now again form.add PHP. Okay, now here suppose name entered Samartha, taking 3 hobbies, gender only one will be selected. Now highest qualification, suppose we are taking here suppose diploma. Okay, now add. If here name Samartha, hobbies playing, hobbies reading, hobbies watching, gender male, and highest qualification diploma. Okay, so this value is printed here. Okay, so this is the way for retrieving the values from the text control. Okay, very simple program. Let us take the once again look out the program from the start. If we see here HTML body form tag, here text controls we have taken, here PHP code we have written here, PHP code is ended, body tag is ended, and HTML tag is ended. Okay, so I hope that, and this will be the output. Okay, so I hope that you understand this program and you should not having any doubt. Okay, if you having any doubt, you have to write your doubt into the